In this experiment, we study how do people choose to coordinate with each other and whether they prefer to do things together or alone.
We are presenting a technique with which you can uncover what goes on in infants' minds with a really simple device that is able to track babies' gaze.
In my project, I study how these romantic partners, when we want to form a relationship, impact whether we choose automated products or not.
We're here at the Long Night of Science at CEU, and we're presenting the work of our lab, the iSearch, which is very interested in figuring out how children explore the world around them, how they ask questions, and how they get to learn so much about the world.
This coordination game aims to investigate whether children will be able to coordinate over a salient point, like in this case a color, for instance red, without any type of communication happening between each other.
Today we are showcasing mainly two tools that we developed, the Urban Nature Explorer. As you can see here, it's a tool to map potential urban nature elements within a given space. We also have the Urban Nature Atlas, which is a database of over 1,000 projects now of nature-based solutions across Europe and now the world.
What I'm showing here is basically research that we've been doing on identification with an avatar. Avatars, like for example in computer games, but when you want to run studies which look at actually brain mechanisms behind it, you need to actually simplify the task to make it as simple as possible.
Here we have prepared some interactive tasks where kids can learn more about scientific experiments. For example, we have prepared the Stroop task and a mathematical puzzle called the Tower of Hanoi. And we also have an emotions recognition game where kids can learn more about how to recognize emotions and what does this mean in everyday interactions with other people.
I want to show how we can use something as simple as a computer mouse in order to measure complex processes in people's minds.
Tonight we are here with a program as part of the Long Night of Research, which is a screening of student films that were produced this year in the filmmaking courses here at CEU.
Hi, I'm Dinara and I'm visiting Central European University. I'm very curious how they work now in Vienna, and I'm looking forward to see different stations and to see how the processes are organized in this international university.